Alright, we set off from the village of Abergynolwyn here and went through the woods all the way to here. That's the train station we just passed, and we are going to continue to another little bridge here and then hack up the side of the hill past ruined old buildings around the old slate quarry and come around here. I believe the secret waterfall is somewhere around here. Okay. Everything crossed. Coming for you, secret waterfall. Ugh. It's very boggy. It gets worse than this the further on we go as well. Might be a little bit mucky on our way down. It's getting worse. Oh, lonely little tree. The loneliest number is one. What a life. To be such a lonely little tree. Oh, I hope this dog will have a wee on me. Denied. Maybe another 5 years. The dog might come and wee on you. Until then, you're on your own. All alone. But I've been wanting to get to since day one. Can't give you much of a view from here, but it's a massive cliff face. It drops down in the bottom to a little pool. I can't see any way to get in or out of it by foot without ropes. But the drone can go and have a look, and hopefully the dogs don't follow it in. What a playground for a rock climber, eh? Wish I knew how to do all that stuff. I think I've found where they tie their ropes off when they come here. The dogs are just scaring the living out of me. That whippet just zooms around at a million miles an hour. He's got no earthly conception of where he's headed. I reckon, is this where we... Oh, it's got a bit of wiggle on it. Tie the rope there. Oh, I bet that's awesome. Okay, back to the path. Where do you even begin to find somewhere to put your feet? This way. But Wales have like mud baths all of their own. Something beyond the regular conditions that England or even Scotland at times can offer. You know, like, Oh, that's what you get for trying to talk and walk. Oh, these boots are definitely of the like water friendly rather than waterproof, or I can feel it crawling down my ankles. Oh my god. Yeah. So you know how in high mountains you have permafrost? I think Wales has perma mud. It's just, doesn't matter if it's August and it hasn't rained for 6 months. It's still muddy. It's a miracle of science and climate. Alright. Oh, how low can you go? Quite low. Just before you reach the clearing, look to your left and you will see a pile of slate. I think this might be it. But I can't hear any running water this way. All-terrain whippet. Charlie, you come in? I mean, this is clearly regularly walked, isn't it? Oh, I can hear it. I can hear the secret waterfall. I'm not sure I'm going to need to get the drone in the air. I'm just going to follow my ears. You see the water rushing behind the tree line? Right. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the secret waterfall of Abergynolwyn. What a raging beautiful gusher she is. Oh, I think we can even get down and have a look a little bit closer. Let's go. Oh baby, we are coming here for a shower in the summer. Wow, holy moly, this is just magnificent. Wow, this is absolutely glorious. And who do I have to share it with? Just me and the dogs. So we will continue apace down this little logging track here. We'll cut off from here back into the woods, into a lovely little glen, and then back along the stream to the cottage with a nice steaming cup of tea. All of the captain's logs. Drone?